morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dominique and I'm just a vegan trying to turn your plant-based dreams into a delicious reality, one recipe at a time. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. You already know I love y'all. Welcome back. I actually am just not getting back as well. Lance and I, we had to go to a funeral this weekend. So yeah, we had to drive over to Arkansas because his family's from Arkansas, and it was very heavy. Y'all keep us in your prayers. But obviously I'm back with the YouTube. I missed y'all. Doing this brings me so much joy. Today I'm gonna show y'all what I eat. I have some errands to run. I'm sitting in the car. It's still 100, what is it? It's still 110 degrees here in Texas. Before I moved here, no one told me about the heat, y'all. It is so hot. But yeah, so I love doing these. They bring me joy, help distract me a little bit. So I'm gonna show y'all what I eat in a day, some errands I gotta run. So yeah, let's just get right into the video, y'all, because I know you're hungry. You're watching this because you want to see what I'm eating. So let's just get right to it. So I want some sweet potato waffles, but I don't feel like making it from scratch. So I'm gonna use this brand that I've been using. This is not sponsored, but y'all, this pancake and waffle mix is so good. It's called Ghetto Gastro. A lot of people don't like the name because it's Black owned and it has ghetto in it. But if you could look past the name, y'all, I would never steer you wrong. This sweet potato mix is so good. And it's so easy. All you need to do is combine the pancake mix or waffle mix, some water. I use plant milk and oil. That's it. It's completely vegan. You don't need any eggs, so you can find it at Target. So I'll be making this for my waffles. It literally takes 5 minutes. I love it. Now, for my bacon, I'm going to do this Hooray Foods vegan bacon. I found this at Whole Foods. I've been eating on it. It's pretty good, but like the texture, when it's like, I guess raw, reminds me of Play-Doh, okay? It's very, very, very fragile. Like, you have to make sure you're very careful with it or just it will fall apart. But I'm gonna cook this for my vegan bacon and breakfast is done. I'm keeping it very simple, very convenient. I'm not that person that loves to eat like a super complicated breakfast. Now, typically, y'all know I don't eat a breakfast like this. I'll typically juice or something like that, but that sweet potato waffle is so good. So I just wanna make a whole breakfast today. So yeah, let's get right into it. Now, you don't have to add any oil to this, because coconut oil is the base on here, and that's kind of why it's so flimsy in my opinion. It's gonna create its own oils and y'all will see it. And I should probably get a bigger pan, but I'm not going to because they do shrink a lot. So yeah. So you see that the bacon is making its own oil and crisping up. So now I'm gonna flip the bacon, the vegan bacon. So both sides can cook, but you still have to be very careful. And you, oh man, see, this is what I mean. They're like, it's very flimsy. That's the only thing I don't like about this vegan bacon. And you can't have them touch each other or they'll stick. And this is best served crispy. have my Shake Shack. So apparently it is National Soft Serve Day, and this is the closest thing to ice cream I have. And honestly, you might hear the air in the background, but I just want it. It's almost that time of the month. I just want something sweet. So I hope I don't get this everywhere. Does this fit? I don't know. Probably not. Yeah, no. I had the shake before. Did not like the shake from Shake Shack. I'm like notorious for things spilling. So this is what it looks like. Oh, so bad. The only thing is, I wish they had vanilla. So now I'm going to take my French fry. I used to do this back in the day with Wendy's and dip it. Not as good with chocolate, but still really good. Shake Shack, if you're watching this, we need vegan burgers. Not the veggie shack that y'all have, because that's not even fully vegan. We need vegan cheese, vegan buns, vegan burgers all the way through. But now I'm gonna eat this and run some errands and cook dinner. So yeah, I didn't really have lunch today, so I guess this is my lunch. Ice cream for lunch. It's okay, I'm like a little kid again. So this is all of the basil from my garden. I still have some more, but this is what we're gonna use to make pesto for our vegan Alfredo.
From the moment that I saw you, babe, all I think about is loving you. Every time that you are near, I just can't help but stare. I'm dreaming of eternity with you, so maybe I can. Imagine all the things we do, oh babe, make this fantasy. Maybe I can. Imagine all the things just call my name and make this fantasy for real. Oh no, I can't fight it when I can't deny it. It's all about the things you do. Boy, you knock me out. I can't hold it. I can't fight it when I can't deny it. It's all about the things you do. Yeah, knock me out. Can you feel the vibes I'm sending, baby? All my energy and thoughts toward you. There's no way I could let go of all these dreams and hopes. Anxiety so deep, feeling so new. Just maybe I can. Imagine all the things we call my name. Make this fantasy for baby, can we? Imagine all the things just call my name. Make this fantasy for boy, you knock me out. I can't fight you when I can't deny it. All about the things you do, boy, you knock me out. Can't hold it, I can't fight it when I can't deny it. All about the things you do, boy, you knock me out. Falling for you, this love's a TKO. Falling for you, baby. Falling for you, this love's a TKO. Falling for you, baby.
Here it is, a groove slightly transformed again. But where did Tatiana Ali spend? I knew her since she was 10, as Fresh Prince from back then. I had a sense she would win, whatever clique she was in. Now she all grown up, not Ashley. Mad sexy, true but classy. She in the fast lane, under my wing, kissing the sky. Tatiana Ali, girl, you knock me out.
Oh
food. There it is. I made like a pesto Alfredo vibe because I was craving both pesto pasta, but I'm not the biggest pesto lover, honestly. I don't like the pine nuts, so that's why I make my pesto without the pine nuts. I think it's pine nuts that go in pesto. I had a very bad experience when I was like 12 years old, and I was like, I would never have pesto again. And I was craving also like vegan Alfredo, so I just combined the two. So let's see how it tastes. Lance said it tastes good. So let's see. Do y'all like slurp, or do you like roll it up like this? I worked out today, so I really need to eat like way more calories, so. This is good. I think I could add a pinch more salt or the Cajun seasoning, but it's really good. I'm trying to watch my sodium levels because salt just makes me like really bloated, like in the face, and it gives me acne. I don't know, I just need to watch my sodium levels, but it probably has enough salt. I'm just being picky, but it's really, really good. I like it. I give it like an 8 out of 10. This is a good combination. Here's another close-up of the pasta. I feel like my shot didn't do it justice, but yeah, look how creamy it is. That's the noise we're looking for. It is so delicious. So this is the end of what I eat in a day. It was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. As always, I'm happy to be back. I hope y'all love the videos. Make sure you like and you subscribe. And you know, I always leave with a question. So are you vegan? And if you're not vegan, what's preventing you from making the switch over to the vegan or plant-based lifestyle? All right, let me know in the comments. Let me know which meal was your favorite as well. I always say one question, end up asking like a bunch, but I will see y'all in next week's video. I love y'all. All right, bye.